some modifications I did to my Honda Rancher. The OEM muffler was getting loud, so I had a second muffler put on. They welded it right through the pipe at the end of the original one. It's real quiet. Before I was scaring the deer, the wild boar, they'd run from a couple 100 feet away. I should be able to sneak up on them now. I also did a mod on the thumb. My thumb gets messed up from riding. If I ride like this. Now this rubber piece I put on, rubber piece of hose, goes right across there, and I hold it like this. I can ride all day like that with no pain at all. If I ride just like this, my thumb starts hurting. Real quick it starts hurting. It's called thumb fatigue. This really helps out a lot. I like this Honda Rancher. It's only got 2,655 miles on it. I put all those miles on myself. It's got the thumb shift. Let me see. There's drive, fully automatic. It can select automatic or electric shift protection or program. Where we go? There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Or I can go on drive. I like going drive and just give it the gas and go. It's also got 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive switch with a light on there. I really like this Honda Rancher. It's a TRX 400 FGA. It's a 400cc. Got brand new wheels and tires. Take-off tires from the Honda dealership. Right out of the crate, they take them off the bike or the quad. I got them for $150 for all 4. I got a real good deal on them. It was $159 with tax. The other tires were original. They were real old. I really like this muffler. It's really quiet. It's a lot quieter. Let me see. It was real noisy before. Scared them deer away. At a couple 100 feet, it scared them. More than a couple 100. Yeah, Honda Rancher.